This is TP Link TL8188EU Wi-Fi adapter. I am plugging the adapter into the USB port of the PC. After installing the Wi-Fi adapter on my PC, Wi-Fi is not showing up in Windows 10. If Wi-Fi is not showing up in Windows 10 after installing the Wi-Fi adapter, let's see how to fix it. First, remove the Wi-Fi adapter from here. Plug the Wi-Fi adapter into a 2.0 USB port on your PC. After plugging the Wi-Fi adapter into a 2.0 USB port on your PC, go to your PC. If Wi-Fi is still not showing up on your PC, go to Device Manager. Right-click on the Windows icon. Go to Device Manager. Click on Network Adapters. If your Wi-Fi adapter is disabled from here, then enable it again. Sometimes Wi-Fi is not visible on the PC because it is disabled from here. After doing this, check if Wi-Fi is showing on the PC. If Wi-Fi is still not showing up on your PC, update your drivers. If you have Wi-Fi, connect an Ethernet cable to your PC for internet connection. If you don't have Wi-Fi, you can update your drivers from another PC connected to the internet. After connecting the PC to the internet, go to the internet browser. Search for TL8188EU driver download. Enter the first site. Now select the Windows 10 version from here and it will start downloading automatically. Once downloaded, install it now. After installing, the PC will restart. After the PC restarts, Wi-Fi will be visible on your PC. Now you can connect your PC to Wi-Fi. Now the PC is connected to Wi-Fi.